Friends, in the last lecture, we have implemented the uh, post method, put method, delete method. This video, we are going to change implementation of create because we are not going to return complete user, not a REST standard. Instead of, we are going to return a location of the user. After creating, we are going to the location so that they can use get API call to get the user. Going to create one more local variable saved user. I'm going to use servlet URI component builder dot from current request. I'm taking the URI dot path. I'm going to specify the path from here dash. I'm going to use slash of slash ID. This ID we are getting from build and extract. Build and extract we are going to specify the URI variable. This variable will be replaced. ID will be replaced. Dot to URL. Dot URI. URI method there URL. Okay. URL location. We are going to with this location we are going to return now. Okay, one method say build and extract. Sorry guys, build and extract we have to use. Expand. Sorry, build and expand. Build and expand. We are going to specify ID. Saved user dot get ID. Dot to URI. How to use URI, not URI. Friends, now we are going to return the URI. How we can return using response entity. Remember guys, using response entity, we are going to return the response. Response dot created. They are saying that created. Response is created and we are going to specify the location. Return this. Return. We need to change the return type. Response entity of object. Response entity. Response entity got created and we are returning this response entity. Going to return the response entity. here response entity we are returning. Let me start the application. Here earlier we are returning the complete user object. Now we are returning user location. Already one is running. Need to stop and start it. Spring Boot. So we are returning complete user object. Now we are returning the location, and we are returning the status code 201 created. We are going to return now. Earlier we are returning 200. Now we are going to return status code as 201. For everything we are returning earlier 200. Now I am going to use Postman. Some guys might not be comfortable with advanced REST client. Going to use Postman now. I am using get method. Get method returns all the users of you. I got all the list of you. Going to create a new. So I need to change the method type as post data. Don't have to give the ID as we are creating a JSON format where we have to select body. From body we have to select JSON, and we need to set the content type headers. Content type. We need to set the content. Previously we are by default it won't be there. How to set is go to headers, select search for a content type here, CON content type, select this one and pass application or JSON. Application or JSON. Send the request. We have received the 201 status code and we are receiving the headers. The response headers will have the location where the URI is present. I can simply use this. I don't have to check and get in. I can simply use this, make a get call. Got the response. Bangalore. I got it. This is the standard. Here following, right? We have to, in case of creation, we have to return this status code as 201 created, and we have to give the location. Thank you guys. In upcoming lectures we will go deeper. Thank you for today. Bye guys.